What are the emotional stages clients often go through while going through a divorce? Hi, Sandra Fuentez with Fuentez Law. If you can't make up, we'll help you break up. It really does depend on what has happened that's brought the potential new client into my office as to what stage. If they did not file for divorce and they've been served with divorce papers, then typically they're going through either an anger phase or a sad phase. Once the process gets started, they're typically going through a mad phase. Like they're angry, they're upset that this is happening to them. And they're discussing settlement and children, and all of a sudden the person that they thought that they married, things that that person would never do, is exactly what that other spouse is doing. And so it often evokes more of that anger stage to stay in place because they just can't believe that their spouse could act like this or do these things. And so that's why it's so important during a divorce to have a good divorce attorney to advocate for you in your best interest, but also to seek some counseling. To be able to talk through what you're going through emotionally. A counselor can also help you explain to your children how to discuss with them the divorce process, what to expect in the future once it's done, and let them know it's not their fault and how we can move forward, what can be done to help their lives be the easiest that they can. It's also towards the end, in my experience for clients, a time for renewal, right? So they're really looking at the process to see financially where I'm going to be at, what do I need to do. And oftentimes I have clients be very excited about the future, what's coming up, things that bothered them when they were living with their spouse that their spouse would do that would cause them maybe to have to do more in the home. They now realize, hey, I'm going to be on my own. That person's not going to be there. My house will be cleaned, or I won't have to be cooking for, that additional person, or I don't have to tell them my comings and goings. And so look at divorce, if that's what is happening in your life and it's something that's inevitable, look at it as a time for change, something positive, a new, positive, happier life coming up for you and your children.